Alright, Testo 320. I've been having problems with it. I've had... The thing will start up. There it goes. It's a 320 LX. I've had this thing for, I don't know, maybe 6 years. I mean, I haven't done anything with it, and I started having problems with it not zeroing, and I'll show you what it's doing. So I'll run through and I'll say sensor O2 zeroing. It will eventually, here, let's see. After about, I don't know, 3 or 4 tries, it will actually go, and you can use it for a CO detector, but you won't get oxygen. So I'm gonna let it run and see. This is like the 3rd time it's trying to zero. I'll let it run and I'll count how many times it tries to zero. Okay, I don't have the probe hooked up, but it took 4 times, and it's got the little, let's see, the little 320s flashing up there. Fluke gas analysis, natural gas, and if you look, I don't know, it says 21. It's bouncing back and forth. It's having a hard time zeroing or something, not sure. So I did buy a sensor for it, so now we're going to replace the sensor. Let's shut this off. So I did take the back off already. If you look, there's my CO, there's my oxygen. So we're just going to remove this hose right there, and remove this hose somehow. Take that little hose off there. You got to be careful not to pull the top off of this. And oh, sensor just comes out. There's your sensor 093-0005. I tried my sensor out of my 330. I have a 330 combustion analyzer, and it will not work. It's 2 different sensors. It doesn't recognize it. So now, here's my new sensor. Just keep these separate. It just plugs in right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just plugs in right there. So we're gonna take this, put it in the hose, like so. Oh, do I have it oriented right? Yes, I do. We're just gonna take something not working. Oh, there, it's caught up. Gotta be careful not to bend your prongs. Oh, there we go. Oh, we're in. Put your hose back on here. And let's turn it on and see what it does. 12 seconds to 0. And we are good. So that's if you come up with that O2 sensor zeroing problem on your 320 Testo. These were 150 bucks for a sensor. Not cheap. I think the CO sensor is like 200 and something bucks. So doing maintenance on these pieces of equipment is, well, I mean, it's better than buying a brand new 320. You can't even get the 320 anymore. They got a 300 series now. I'm not sure. And I do have an old 330, which needs a battery. Because I had the 330, I bought that gosh knows, 10 years ago. And then needed sensors and a battery on the 330. And so I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna buy a new 320. So that's what I did. And this thing works great. This is a good combustion analyzer. Very reliable, robust. It's a real tough analyzer. I use it all the time. Alright guys, that's it for this one. And I will see you on the next one.